Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to make my own over-the-range shelf like these ones I saw on Pinterest. I also will be trying to make some floating shelves on my own since I haven't been able to find the ones that I really like or need for on Amazon or any place online. I have my two pieces of wood already cut that I just cut. I'm going to screw these together and then I'm going to make brackets or braces to hold them up. And then I'll stain it and we'll see how that goes. So I pre-drilled holes in this wood and also made it so that the screws will countersink beneath the surface of the wood so that it won't stick out on the edge. Then I use some wood putty just to fill in the spaces where the screws were kind of sunken in and smooth out the surface. I was trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time, so it's a little shaky here, but eventually I got it. Alright, so this is what I've gotten so far. I like it. I just want to put another piece on that side just to even it out a little bit. Otherwise it looks kind of weird. I think it's going to look good once I stain it. And then I'm going to be putting shorter shelves on this side that are going to match. Because I want the wood tone from the other side of the room here to be on this side of the room as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I stained it. Some parts the stain took a little bit more than other parts. I don't know if this is a product of me not sanding straight or what the deal is, but that's what it looks like now. Unfortunately, you can kind of see where I put the screws in, but this side is looking unfinished because this side faces the refrigerator. So yeah, it's a good match to the countertops. Not exactly the same, but close enough. I used a combination of this gel stain and this special walnut stain. Just kind of mixed them and used it. And it came out with the color I wanted. So hopefully this will dry soon and then I'll put it up. So this is what it's looking like right now. Not too bad. That gap that I hated is filled. I wish I had done this a little bit better, but you live, you learn. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I just have to mount it to the wall and I think we'll have it. Okay, now I am assembling my floating shelf. I started with this kind of almost completed box and I mounted it to the wall, make sure it was level. And then once I was done with that, I used decking screws to get this into the wall and keep it nice and sturdy. Then I added the face of the box with a nail gun, my heavy duty nail gun here. And that pretty much kept it in place. Here I'm just showing you how I cut out the size of the top of the box, and then I also cut out a duplicate one for the bottom of the box, and then I attached it to the frame with my nail gun. So all I have to do now is nail this to the bottom of here, and then I'm done. At least with the construction part, I'm done. Okay, she looks a little rough right now, but she's done. Just needs a little stain on her. And yeah. It is a little rough around this side, but you know what? I'm gonna smooth the edges with some sandpaper and then stain this baby, and then I'll show you the rest, how it looks at the end. So here is a critical error. I forgot to stain the pieces before I added them to the frame, and so I ended up getting stain everywhere. So my advice would be, don't stain it once it's up there, stain it before you put it up there. Okay, this is how everything turned out and all styled up. I just added a little plant. Well, this is my tomato plant that I'm growing here, and some bowls on this one. I will eventually do more on this wall, but this is what it's looking like, all styled up for now. Okay, friends, that's my video this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to inspire you to do something similar in your own kitchen. It doesn't take all the fancy tools. They just help the job go faster. But anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you in the next video, take care.